Embracing the tree at 2 meters from the ground, the personal protection screen offers effective protection to fellers, especially in the preparatory phase. At the same time, the hydraulics of the tracked forestry tractor can be used for the actual felling work, for which the screen can then be opened again on one side. Although a tractor may not be able to go into any type of terrain, the tractor-based screen is an effective and comparably cost-effective alternative. For the personal protection screen, for improving work safety in forests, Pfanzelt Maschinenbau was presented with the Agritechnica Innovation Awards 2019 in silver.